What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be doing the 3-color slime challenge. I don't know if it's like a thing or not, but I'm doing it. Also, sorry I haven't uploaded on this channel in freaking forever, but I'm going to try to upload more, though I guarantee that's not going to happen, but better. Okay, so if you don't know what the 3-color slime challenge is, it's basically where you pick 3 colors of paint out of a bowl. In this case, I'm using this like big container. And then you put them into the slime, and then, yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. So let's get started. So first, we're going to add in the glue. So place them in the bowl. Okay, actually, that's good. Next, we're gonna add in some shaving cream, because I want it to be a fluffy slime. I'm not gonna lie. That's good. Hopefully, the slime doesn't get hard. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this up really quick. Okay, so the shaving cream is all mixed in, and I really hope I didn't add too much. But now it's time to add in the paint. Now it's time to pick the 3 colors of paint, so. Okay. I got this bright orange. Now it's time to pick the second color. Time for the second color. I got this bright yellow color. And finally, the third color. Finally, we got white. So now it's time to put the 3 colors of paint into the slime. First, the yellow color. That's good. Now the bright yellow. Finally, the white. Alright. So apparently we're out of white, so I'm picking another color. Ooh, we got purple. So I'm gonna add the purple in. And now it's time to mix it all up. These colors are they? So I'm actually gonna add a little more of the colors because if you look, it's like a very, it still looks like white. And the orange. And the yellow. And the purple. Now we mix. So this is what the color turned out to look like. It's this really gross brown color, but now it's time to activate it. So I think the slime is good to touch now. Oh, I spoke too soon. Okay, so I'm gonna have to activate this more. So this is what the slime turned out to look like. It's a like brownish bread-like color. It's not the prettiest color, but I mean, it's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!